was this CEO of a major tech company who was very anxious to boost the company's progress in terms of efficiency and productivity. And the more he studied the workflow of his company, the more clear it became to him that one of the greatest impediments to achieving this is a lack of communicative harmony. So he called a meeting, urgent meeting. He sent a memo to all of them, and he listed in the subject line, he wrote, urgent meeting to discuss a systemic lack of collaborative harmony. So all the departments were called. They virtually shut down the company just to address this most important point. So the thrust of what he wanted to communicate was that people don't listen. They should listen more than they speak. But of course, being a CEO, he had to give a prepared speech and all that. So he started. So he spent 3 hours presenting this very complex 90-slide deck detailing his whole company's operational method and how they could improve it. And then, the corner of the room, there was a very junior staff, sales guy, who just kept putting his finger up. And the moment there was a break in this CEO speech, because they had that kind of open-ended way of talking, the junior staff member stood up and said, "Sir, regarding slide number 5, the CEO just cut it off and said, "Quiet! I'm teaching people here how to listen." See the irony? You're teaching people how to listen when you yourself can't listen. This is happening in boardrooms each and every single day, when you have two sides of the fence here. You've got the upper management and you've got the subordinates. The subordinates keep looking at these upper management staffers and think to themselves, how the hell did they ever get there? And the upper management people look at the subordinates thinking, oh, they are such horrible listeners. The reason they never get ahead because they don't listen. So keep this in mind. You are here to progress. And the only way that you can ever progress in today's competitive sphere, regardless of your sector, is by adopting a student's mindset, whether you are a janitor or you are the CEO. It doesn't cost you anything to shut your mouth and keep your ears open.